English Daily Sentences. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I like drinking tea in the morning. What's your idea? I think it is better going to the beach. I agree with you. I disagree with your idea. What's your big dream? I want to go to Hajj with my family. I want to build a big house at Mecca. I want to study abroad with my husband. Why do you say it? I want to tell the truth. I am happy visit this place. The car is luxurious. Your car is clean. Your effort is very good. My favorite subject is math. What's your goal? I want to be a businesswoman. I want to be a pilot. My parents love me. I want to be a nurse. I don't like buy toys. I want to be a president. I want to be a writer. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a sailor. I want to be an artist. I want to be a singer. I want to be a scientist. When will you have holiday? Where will you go in your holiday? Which is better for you, the going to a beach or a mall? What's your opinion about this news? Why do you like white? Why do you like black? Who is your favorite actor in your life? Do you like drinking a glass of milk? Do you like eating bread? Please, answer my questions. Call me if you want to talk to me. Come here, please. Please, open the door. Open the window, please. Buy me a medicine, please. Wash your face, please. Wash your hand, please. Write your review, please. After watching this, please answer the questions. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Put your spoon there, please. Read the story and write the review, please. Make a video about descriptive text, please. My favorite lesson is history. I don't want to disturb you. Don't disturb me. Give me your hand, please. Help me, please. Write down your full name, please. What's your nickname? Where do you come from? What are you? I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a housewife. I am a designer. I am a tailor. I am a chef. I am a writer. I am a pilot. I am a farmer. I am a sailor. I don't like eating noodle. I don't like eating fast food. I like fruits. I like mango. I like watermelon. I like avocado. I like apples. I like durian. I like pineapple. Do you like durian? What do you do? I am happy to hear that. Writing is fun for me. I am writing a long story. I want to buy an old car. I want to sell an old car. I like biking. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Save your money, please. Let's open the book. Let's listen the news. My family and I will go to Mecca. Have you gone to Mecca? How to go to Mecca? I like listening your story. How much the cost to Mecca? How many days will you stay in Mecca? How much is the house? Don't say this information to your neighbor. Please, share this news to your family. The new house is more expensive than the old house. I am happy when holiday is coming. I will write my journey here. I don't imagine this event. The fresh milk is good for us. Most of people will go today. They will go to holiday. They will spend time with their family. I love this music. I hate this music. You will get what you have done. True friends will come in the bad situation. Please, send your story to my email. Don't say it to me. Please, listen to me. Don't go to anywhere, please. My daughter likes swimming. My daughter doesn't like singing. I like drawing view. My daughter likes drawing. My daughter likes climbing. My daughter like coloring. Let's cook this food. Let's eat this food. May I try this? May I buy this? I will watch this movie. I will wash this clothes. Silent is gold. Turn left, please. Turn right, please. Is your favorite color pink? Do you like black color? How to get the Chatham Park? What does mean? What is the meaning? Ice cream is delicious. My favorite food is fish. I like feeding fish. Playing basketball is fun. What is your phone number? How do I call you? How to pass this exam? Have you read the books before examination? Have you do exercise before examination? I like go shopping. The park is beautiful. The lighting is beautiful. I like cooking. She likes cooking. I don't like cooking. She doesn't like cooking. We like writing stories. She likes telling stories. She likes listening stories. I don't like telling stories. I like teaching. Do you like teaching? I don't like teaching. I like running. I like jumping.